Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google AI and signing in with the account you plan to use. Make sure permissions for mic, camera, and data are enabled so features run smoothly. Once signed in, pick a model mode, creative for brainstorming, balanced for general use, precise for factual tasks, because that setting determines output tone and length. Next, load any relevant files or context and set language and length preferences. These first steps let you get immediate, tailored responses. Now, craft your prompt. Say what you want, list constraints, and add a short example so the model understands format and style. You'll combine system and user messages to enforce tone and output length. For instance, tell it to reply with bullet lists or code blocks. If your task needs documents, attach files or paste text and enable multi-turn context so the AI remembers prior turns. While it processes, monitor token usage and adjust prompts to stay concise. To finish, review the output critically, edit for accuracy, ask for clarifications, or request alternate formats like tables or step lists. Export by copying, downloading, or sending results to connected apps. Make sure formatting and citations meet your standards. If the AI drifts or stalls, reset the conversation, simplify the prompt, or switch model mode to get a different style. One key troubleshooting tip: clear context and retry with a short, explicit instruction to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.